Hey there everybody, what is going on? My name is Aditya and welcome to chapter 1 episode 5. In this episode, we are going to be taking a look at atoms. Now this can be a tricky concept for those of you who are coming from some other programming languages except for Ruby. In previous episode, we saw an atom that simply said okay. Now what atoms really are is they are constants whose name is their value. You cannot assign them like variables. In Ruby, they are known as symbols. To demonstrate, hello equals to hello is true, but hello equals to world is false. These cannot be altered for other values. They will always represent what they stand for. On the other hand, booleans are atoms. So if I compare true to true, it will be saying true, and if I'll be comparing false to false, it will be saying true. But for anything else other than that, I'll be getting an error. It may seem really stupid at the current moment that atoms exist while you can use strings, but bear with me because they are really fun to work with later. They have their own importance. So that will be all for this video. See you in the next one.